Changing the control arm of the 2019 Toyota Yaris. Initially changed the control arm already, but however, for those who are changing the control arm, you will run in a little obstacle right here where the bolts, when trying to remove the bolts, it will come and initially touch the filter. So my way of doing it, I don't know if persons have other ways of doing it, but my way of doing it is initially jack up the car, use a jack, put a piece of board or something on it, rest it on the crankcase right here, crankcase, remove these three 14 bolts and use the jack to hoist the engine up. So the bolt right here can clear the oil filter. As you can see right there, the oil, if you remove the bolt, it will come and hit the oil filter before it clears the subframe. So you have to remove this bolt also, do the ball joint, and then this bolt right here in the control arm, then the stabilizer bar. You have to remove the bushings. For the other side is practically the same for the other side. So initially, while removing this bolt right here, it also will hit the transmission case. It wouldn't clear, so you'd have to pull it out, press the jack beneath the transmission also, and hoist it a bit from the a bit to clear the bolt. Just a little heads up before you try to change the controller. Just bear that in mind based on the fact that you will have to take in that in consideration to jack the transmission up, remove the engine mount bolts. I see in person who just jack up the engine, but I think it put a lot of stress on the engine mount, so I just removed the bolts. That's for that. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.